Alright, so this is Investigation 5 homework, numbers 6 through 8 and 15 through 21. So what we're doing for 6 through 8 is we're finding the value of x that makes the fractions equivalent. Okay, I am going to show you how to do this using cross multiplication. This is a method that I've been teaching you in class, and this is the perfect opportunity to practice it and perfect it and be able to do this on a test, because this will save you valuable time learning how to do it this way. Alright, so for number 6, we're going to multiply 2 times x equals 5 times 8. This is cross multiplication. The denominator on this side times the numerator on this side of the equal sign equals 5, which is the numerator on this side of the equal sign, times 8, which is the denominator on the other side of the equal sign. And it's going to be like so. 2x is going to equal 5 times 8. So 2x equals 40. Now we have to get rid of this 2 in order to figure out what x is. So what we do is we're going to divide 2 to both sides. Because whatever you do on this side of the equal sign, you have to do on this side of the equal sign. So 2x divided by 2 equals x, and that is going to equal, 40 over 2 equals 20. So x equals 20. Okay, number 7. We're going to take 2 over 5 equals 7 over x, and we're going to find the value of x. So 2x is going to be multiplied by 5 times 7. 2x equals 7 times 5. 2x equals 35. 7 times 5 equals 35. And then we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. 2x divided by 2 equals x. 35 divided by 2 equals 17.5. So x equals 17.5. Okay, so for number 8, we have 7 over 5 equals 28 over x. Find the value of x. So we're going to cross multiply. 7x is equal to 5 times 28. 7x equals 5 times 28. 7x equals 140. 5 times 28 is 140. So we're going to divide both sides by 7. Then we get x equals 20. So x is equal to 20 for number 8. Okay, so for numbers 15, 16, 17, you're going to find the given percent or fraction of the number. So let's start with 15. 25% of 2,048. So what you do is you multiply 2,048 times 0.25, because 25% is the same as 0.25. And so you can do the long multiplication. We do 5 times 8 equals 40, carry the 4. 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 4, and then carry the 2. 5 times 0 is 0, bring the 2 down. 5 times 2 is 10. Then you start in the second line. 2 times 8 equals 16, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 gives you 9. 2 times 0 is 0, there's a 0. 2 times 2 equals 4. And then you just add these two lines together. Bring the 0 down. 4 plus 6 is 10, carry the 1. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So write down the 2, carry the 1, and then bring the 1 down. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And don't forget about the decimal. Make sure that you bring the decimal 2 places to the left because of this decimal right here. And the answer to 15 is 512. Okay, so for number 16, you need to find 2/3 of 24. So that's just multiplying 2/3 times 24. 2/3 times, and then you got to put the 24 in fraction form, so that'd be 24 over 1. So then you just multiply the numerator, and then you multiply the denominator. So 2 times 24 equals 48. 3 times 1 equals 3. So it'll be 48 over 3. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. So 2/3 of 24 is 16. Now for 17, you can do the same thing. 5 over 6 times 90 over 1. 5 times 90 is 450. 6 times 1 equals 6. 450 divided by 6 equals 75. And once again, if this is too fast, just stop the tape, back it up, and look at it again. Okay, so for 18 to 21, you're going to write each comparison as a percent. So 55 out of 100. That's the same thing as saying 55 over 100. And that equals 55%. Because as you know, percent is part of 100. So it's 55 parts out of 100, 55%. Okay, for 19, 13 out of 39. 13 over 39, that's going to equal 0.33 repeat over and over and over and over. So that's what this line means, is that it's 33 going on forever. So the way that you write that is it's going to be 33 1/3%. Because the 0.33333, that's the same thing in fraction form as 1 over 3. So to change a decimal point into percentage, you move the decimal point to the right 2 times, which we did here, and then the rest of it is just 1/3. Okay, so for number 20, 2.5 out of 10. That's the same thing as writing 25 over 100. We just took this decimal point, moved it to the right 1 time, and then took the imaginary decimal point that's here and moved it to the right 1 time, which gives you the extra 0. So that's 25 over 100, which equals 25%. And 21, 5 out of 100 is just simply 5 over 100, and that's the same thing as 5%. Okay, that is your homework for tonight.